Welcome back to WordPress 101. In this video, we're going to talk about how to create and customize the navigation menu that appears at the top of the sidebar in our site. By default, WordPress automatically creates and adds menu items as new pages are created based on the page order that you set. And nested or child pages are displayed underneath their parent page. WordPress also uses the title of the page as the link anchor text. As you can see, in the case of this page, the link text is a little too long. Another problem is that this menu only shows pages, but I'd like to include a list of our blog categories in this menu as well. In the Menus subpanel, we can create one or more custom menus for use in our sidebar as well as other areas in our site. To create a custom menu, first give it a descriptive name, and then click Create Menu. This theme supports two menus, a primary menu at the top of the sidebar, and a secondary menu for social links, which I'll cover in a moment. We can choose which menu appears in each location, so I'll assign our newly created menu to the primary location. You can also specify a theme location in the menu settings at the bottom of the Edit menu panel. And you can also let WordPress automatically add new top-level pages that you create in the future to this menu as well. You can easily add custom links to the menu for any URL on the web using the Links module. But for now, I'll stick to the pages we've already created for our site. WordPress displays a list of the most recently created pages in our site, but I'll just choose all of these pages and add them to the menu. Once you've added your items, you can drag and drop the menu items into the order you prefer. And you can create submenu items by dragging them slightly to the right. Then you can expand each item to edit or customize its options. I'll remove this duplicate link to our welcome page because it also serves as our static home page, so the home link will work just fine. I'll also enter a shorter title for our inspiration page so that it doesn't look quite so out of place. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I'd also like to include our blog categories in this menu so our visitors can easily navigate to those topics from the same menu. I'll select the categories and click Add to Menu. Then, because these are all categories for our blog posts, it makes the most sense for them to appear as sub-items underneath the link to our blog. When you've finished building your custom menu, click the Save Menu button. And now, if we visit our site, we can see our new custom menu in action with drop-down menu items for nested pages and our blog categories. Now, this theme also includes a unique feature called a social links menu. Not all themes support this method, but it allows visitors to quickly access your social profiles by clicking small icons that represent each service. I'll show you what I mean by first creating a new custom menu. And you can call this menu anything you like, but I'll just name it Social Links. Then, just add the web address for each of your social profiles as a custom link. For example, I'll paste the link to the Stellar Widget's Twitter profile. And then create new custom links for each of our other social profiles. Once you've added all your social links, assign this menu to the Social Links menu location and click Save the Menu. And now your site will display a row of icons for the social services you've added, enabling your visitors to easily access your social profiles on those services. Remember, not all themes support this method, so check the documentation for your theme to see if it also supports social link menus. And now, one last menu feature. This default theme, 2015, also supports menu descriptions. To add descriptions to your menu items, visit the Menus panel in your dashboard and use the Screen Options tab to show advanced menu properties. Select Description to add this field to your menu settings. And now you can add descriptions to any link in your menu. When you've finished, your navigation menu can look something like this, making it even more helpful for your visitors to find exactly what they're looking for on your site.